Welcome back to the Basics Hub. In this second part of our DIY home series, we're diving into 10 more creative projects that will transform your living space. From organizing your jewelry to creating a mini herb garden, these budget-friendly and innovative ideas are perfect for any home. Let's get started. 11. DIY Jewelry Organizer from Corkboard. Let's kick things off with a stylish DIY jewelry organizer. Step 1. Choose a corkboard that fits your space. Any size will do. Step 2. Select a fabric you love. Cut it slightly larger than the corkboard. Step 3. Apply Mod Podge or fabric glue to the corkboard and carefully lay the fabric over it, smoothing out any wrinkles. Step 4. Once dry, use decorative push pins to hang your earrings, necklaces, and bracelets. This organizer keeps your jewelry tangle-free and beautifully displayed, making it easy to find what you need. 12. Mason Jar Herb Garden. Next up is a charming mason jar herb garden. Step 1. Gather several mason jars, clean and dry them thoroughly. Step 2. Fill each jar with potting soil, leaving about an inch of space at the top. Step 3. Plant your favorite herbs like basil, parsley, or mint in each jar. Step 4. Water lightly and place them on your kitchen windowsill for plenty of sunlight. Step 5. Don't forget to label each jar so you can easily identify your herbs. Having fresh herbs at your fingertips makes cooking even more enjoyable. 13. Tension Rod Under Sink Storage. Maximize your under sink storage with this clever hack. Step 1. Measure the width under your sink to determine the right size for your tension rod. Step 2. Install the tension rod horizontally at a height that allows you to hang cleaning bottles comfortably. Step 3. Hang your cleaning bottles by their spray nozzles. This keeps them upside down for easy access. This method saves space and makes it easy to grab what you need without rummaging through cluttered cabinets. Create a beautiful decorative ladder for storing blankets. Step 1. Cut wooden dowels or scrap wood into equal lengths for the ladder rungs. Step 2. Assemble the ladder by attaching the rungs between two longer pieces of wood using screws or wood glue. Step 3. Sand down any rough edges and paint or stain as desired to match your decor. Step 4. Lean the ladder against a wall in your living room or bedroom and drape blankets over it. This not only keeps blankets organized but also adds a rustic charm to your space. Turn those wine corks into a unique bath mat. Step 1. Collect wine corks. Ask friends or check local restaurants if you don't have enough. Step 2. Arrange corks on a non-slip mat base in a pattern you like. Step 3. Use strong adhesive or hot glue to secure each cork in place. Step 4. Allow it to dry completely before placing it in your bathroom. This stylish mat not only looks great but also provides good drainage. Give an old suitcase new life as a side table. Step 1. Clean out any contents and remove any hardware if necessary. Step 2. Attach legs. You can use furniture legs from an old piece, or simply stack it on top of another table for height. Step 3. Optional. Add a glass top for a smooth surface. Step 4. Use the inside for hidden storage, perfect for magazines or remote controls. This vintage-inspired piece adds character while being functional. Magnetic Spice Rack. Organize your spices with this clever magnetic spice rack. Step 1. Purchase small metal containers with lids. Make sure they are magnetic. Step 2. Fill each container with different spices and label them clearly. Step 3. Attach magnetic strips to the back of each container. Step 4. Stick them on the side of your fridge or inside cabinet doors. This saves counter space while keeping spices easily accessible. DIY Photo Wall. Art from fabric scraps. Turn fabric scraps into stunning wall art. Step 1. Gather fabric scraps in various colors and patterns. Step 2. Cut pieces to fit over canvas frames. You can use different sizes for variety. Step 3. Stretch and staple fabric over frames tightly, ensuring there are no wrinkles. Step 4. Arrange them on your wall in a fun pattern. This colorful art adds texture and personality to any room. Hanging garden with plastic bottles. Create an eco-friendly vertical garden using plastic bottles. Step 1. Clean out plastic bottles thoroughly and cut them in half horizontally. Step 2. Drill drainage holes in the bottom half of each bottle. Step 3. Fill with potting soil and plant herbs or small flowers inside. Step 4. Use strong twine or wire to hang them vertically on walls or fences. This is a great way to recycle while growing plants in small spaces. Scented dryer balls from wool. Make your own eco-friendly scented dryer balls. Step 1. Wind wool yarn tightly into balls. Aim for about the size of a tennis ball. Step 2. Felt the balls by soaking them in hot water, then rolling them around until they're firm. Step 3. Add a few drops of essential oil onto each ball before tossing them into the dryer. These dryer balls reduce drying time while leaving clothes smelling fresh. There you have it. 10 more creative DIY projects that will enhance your home. Which one are you excited to try first? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more DIY inspiration. Thanks for watching and happy crafting.